There's a mouse in the box.
I went drop from under you.
A Dekiboo, channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So Dekiboo can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If y'all don't know who I am the one and only Dekiboo, and I am your boo. So before you watch the video, like the video, comment and share to at least one of your friends, at least one. Yeah, so I'm going to get back in my little pranking thing. If y'all are OG subscriber, y'all know that I love provoke auntie on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I used to do some pranks, and I'm thinking of going back in that. So make sure y'all give me some ideas on my Instagram page right here. Yeah, but the idea just come to my head to prank her that I caught a mouse. Yes, so I'm gonna catch the mouse. Not the actual mouse, you know, cause girl around with them things here. The mouse. Yeah, so it's gonna be in a dish. Right now she's not here, but I'm gonna put it in one dish on the ground and have it like say our actual mouse and move up and down. So you know how Julian is already, so she's not at home as yet. So I have to be quiet. I mean I have to be quiet, but you know the shopping, she might come anytime soon. But until then, I'll see you soon. Alright, it's night. But Mary is too fun. She's here. I just too fun for your card set. Mine is so pretty.
It's about to go down.
There's a mouse in this box. There is one. See?
I want to, you know. You know that is the top ever.
Why? Come look for him. Julian!
Tomorrow I'll go and get something put on top of it so that you can't come out.
I'm telling you, girl, there's a mouse in this.
Sitini at the run somebody I call, cause Sitini, Toby, Tom, White Girl and Teeny bitch.
What to do with it?
Call one of them, then we shall know what to do with it. Me have too much to see you tell me so that is not that.
Julian!
Try any other stuff.
You think I love? Let me get the machine.
Don't just feel like her.
Where my shit there? Quickly! Oh my! Get the machine! Tony! You think I choke me a man? Oh, this serious. Julian. Guys, I just want to let you know that I sell slimming cream, slimming machine, waist trainers, and much more. So hit me up in my DM, DKIBOO _ it is over _ Tony! Come! Jesus Christ!
Come, Kitty.
Lady?
Come.
Yes, please.
You know
want movies. I need
Yeah,
to
just lift him up now. So all of them come. Them now go miss. Your butt.
Yeah. My heart a beat fast.
You need to race fast because that is not a rat. And you need an exterminator to hold that the back there move with a little rat. You have a two rat in there, so them. I want Ninja Turtle rat in there.
It's a mouse.
When I tell you, no mouse. No mouse. Look at them.
I go for Instagram live. I'm going live, guys. I have a mouse in the box.
You know, you need
and
to
truly,
people them something there because I have 6 puss.
Dad,
The amount of pussy.
I'm not telling no lie, I swear there's a mouse in the box. Yeah. God come from heaven and come down with a mouse in the box.
Yeah, when God come down enough time, you never hear about Buddha.
You know me, I let him out by your bed.
Selassie, make never put it. Selassie, I want God to with them people. So only for God they about to come down.
Alright.
You're lucky I come in and come down, you better tell him to go up, Barley, go up.
I told me kill him mouse today, I will put him back in the box.
I will drop from under you.
No,
I can't, no rat.
Dad, we kill the rat. I'm having on camera. We kill the rat right there, so I'm gonna put him in the box.
You see, you know,
Can go and prank you.
I'm not lying.
And let me tell you. Yeah.
The way you're full of garbage, rat can take up your things then. Nice.
Today, me tell you.
No, if rat in my house, I'm gonna stop get food.
Today, you want me to show him? It look like a little mice.
So your mother.
Him white.
She was.
No, him look pink like him just bad.
And too much.
So that means say mother one day run somewhere then.
Too much information.
Eh?
If him white, yeah, that means I know.
That means the mother one run there. Most.
Anything you catch that from in your clothes, you can all of your clothes.
True that, alright. There's some catch right at that they run something there. That time that they saw me see him around him and they one roach, a big roach, the roach get away. So
unfortunate.
Yeah, and I knife me use.
You can't play them.
Wow.
Me have a cup that's right here, so.
Me not tap him up, me just slap him with it. So that's the first thing me see. Alright guys, you guys saw it. I'm gonna take it out now.
You as them sister, you are getting killed alright.
Alright, I'm gonna take it out
because yes sir, him.
Tune in just wash me wash off the knife. Simple.
Wash him.
Simple.
Guys, look for Angie. You may tell you I come like you want something.
Don't put you in. You don't smell him. No, Julian.
Because if you just kill him on instinct already, that means a mercy.
No man,
your things them I can't walk with a dead one.
Julian is think no backside. Wait, take you out first. We tell him say you are gonna take you out and dispose of it. Take you out now. Ah! Oh, not even know if it's good. Like Oli now? Oli box. Oli. How will you pick up her? Oli could wait. Guys. Ah! Julian, take out the mouse now, Julian. Sure. Guys, you think I lie me I tell. God help me. Julian. Alright, may I put it on your bed? I we know if I lie. No, can you not believe me? Guys, should I put him on Julian bed? Alright. Wait, we need one arm. Precious and Sherman. Give me one knife. All my alright guys. We're gonna put him in this bag. Don't know Help me now.
my weakness.
Please help me.
Why?
I'm gonna use this and take him out. I did it, guys. Even on this.
All my weakness.
Oh, the backside there. Daddy, you kick you over. See me that this.
All my
Look at that. Throw him out for me.
Down,
Please, how are you doing that?
where's all my
Throw him out for me. Look in there. Just look in there. Look in there before you cut me up. Look in there. You know, look. Do that. Alright, look now.
Interesting.
I'll throw him out in your pot then. This is interesting.
So the temperature going at you.
Oh, yeah, look at him.
I feel my skin can go
So, come here.
I'm safe. I want to go on the mice with it. Next time,
He's just sat there. I'm going to drop him out. Why? Him out there. We tell him to walk out to that man. Him out there. Him out. I told you there was a mouse in the bag. I didn't lie.
Don't lie and feed in the water.
So I'll feed it. Feed it. I'll wait him.
Oh, they must be scared. That's how we keep them like them.
What you like, Mr. Boy? Hey, boy.
And thank God down to the road.
Him? I don't like him, guys. Him, I don't see what I want to
Bad man.
and see, yeah, that's why some people get tasty. I get too
Get
tasty.
tired of you.
Yeah,
Just
yeah.
like me. Sick and tired.
Of me? How could you be? Something is wrong.
Google sick and tired and so come on.
Alright, guys, so apparently I can't prank that little monkey there.
Madam, you have too much food?
Unknown creature, so I'm sure I say alligator then. As I said in the first part of this video, I need some prank ideas. Because this is the results I always get. Want something wicked, so till children start ball. Even though she can't ball.
Don't be stop walking at you.
Good one.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're bad. Yes, guys.
Me say rat in my house and me have so much puss. I say me see one go in my room and the puss them are days. Days me couldn't get him out of that room and him say meal pan feet. I lie you a tell.
Yes, guys. I guess, as she said, I prank enough for she. But at least I tried. I
We
hope
have too many puss.
nobody unsubscribe for the failure. I'll just continue and give me some ideas. Bye.